Hello and welcome to the 2-minute series. The topic for today is classification of non-performing assets. Now, once we've understood what non-performing assets are, now we know that it is the limit of 90 days after which a particular asset which is not giving any return will be called as an NPA. So what becomes important is an understanding of the classification of non-performing assets. Now you should know that as per RBI guidelines, banks are not suddenly supposed to one day wake up after 90 days and say that this particular asset is NPA. Rather, it is an ongoing process, and this is what is known as special mention account. This is something that is important. Now what happens is that if on a particular account the return is something that is not coming till the period of 30 days, then that account is known as special mention account 0. If the return has not come within the limit of 30 to 60 days, then that is special mention account 1. And if the return has not come within the time period of 60 to 90 days, then it is a special mention account 2. And beyond 90 days, it will be declared as non-performing asset. Now this hierarchy or this particular ladder is what is important, because on each and every stage some steps are what banks have to take to prevent the account from becoming a non-performing asset, and this is something that you should know. Next, what is important is the term substandard asset. Now once the account or an asset has been declared as a non-performing asset, again a standard is what has been set. If this particular NPA, there is no return for a time period of 12 months, less than 12 months or up to 12 months, then that kind of an asset is what is known as substandard asset. Also, another classification is with regards to doubtful asset. Now, if this further goes from 12 months to 3 years, then that asset is what is known as a doubtful asset. And if beyond 3 years, this asset has not got any return, this non-performing asset, for 3 years it is being lying pending with the bank, then in that case the asset is declared as a lost asset for the bank. And all these three are what are collectively also known as NPA. This is further types of NPA, and that is something that becomes important. Such questions can be asked in prelims, and even if not asked, they are something that we should know as a part of our general awareness. So that's going to be the important. I thank you all for watching this video.